Regular expression to NFA with empty moves conversion. Suppose we have regular expression 0 plus 1 whole star 1 0. So how we will convert it into NFA with empty moves? Let's see. As we have discussed in the last lecture the rules. So according to that we start. So we make for 0 initial state, final state 0, and in the similar way for 1 Q3 Q4 1 initial state, final state for 0 for 1. Now we will make 0 plus 1. So as it is in plus, so we will combine them like parallel. How we will combine them? Q1 Q2 0 Q3 Q4 1, and we combine them with another initial state Q5 with epsilon moves, Q5 with epsilon move, and another final state with epsilon move. So this is 0 plus 1. This is 0 plus 1 combined with initial state and final state. Now we want to make, this is 0 plus 1, but now we want to make 0 plus 1 whole star. 0 plus 1 whole star. So how we will make it? Final to initial state there is a epsilon move. Final to initial state there is an epsilon move, and we add another state which will be initial state now, and we will combine it with epsilon move, and here also we will add another final state which we will combine with epsilon move, another final state which will now this will be the final state, not this one. So right now we are not making the symbol of final state, so because these are not the final, so initially it is final, now it is final. So we add another initial state Q7, and we add it with this Q5 with epsilon move, and we make another state Q8. We will combine it with the epsilon move, and now from that Q7 to Q8 with epsilon move. So what is this? 0 plus 1 whole star. What is this? 0 plus 1 whole star. Now what we have exactly? We have 0 plus 1 whole star 1 0. 0 plus 1 whole star 1 0. So this is our 0 plus 1 whole star. Now we can add 1 and 0 from here. So we will add another state here Q9 and Q10 with what we need to add 1 0. So first we add 1. What we have? Q9 Q10 with 1, which we will add with this one epsilon move. We have Q0 Q10 for 1, and we will add this with epsilon move. So this is 0 plus 1. We have this 0 plus 1 whole star, in which we add 1 with epsilon. In the similar way we will add 0. So Q11 and Q12 and Q12 with 0, because at the end what we have? 0. Q11 Q12 0, and we will add this one with epsilon, because in like this we add in series. So Q11 Q12 for 0, and with this we add with epsilon. Now we have everything. This is we have 1 0 1 0 plus 1 and after that we made it 0 plus 1 whole star, 0 plus 1 whole star. Then after that we add 1 with epsilon move, and after that we add 0 with epsilon move. So now this is final. So this will be our final state. This will be our final state. So this is the final NFA with epsilon move. So this is the conversion of RE to NFA with epsilon move. Now let's take another example. Suppose we have 0 star 1 star. Suppose we have RE 0 star 1 star. Then how we will make it? First we make for suppose 1 Q1 Q2 1. Suppose we made for 1. Now we made with 1 star. This is for 1. Now we make 1 star. So what we will do? We will add another state with epsilon move. We will make another state with epsilon move, and from final to initial there is an epsilon move, and initial to final there is an epsilon move. So what is this? This is 1 star. In the similar way we will make 0 star Q5 to Q6 for 0. This is 0. So now we are going to make 0 star. So final to initial epsilon move, and we will add another state with epsilon move, and here we will add another state with epsilon move, and initial to final there is an epsilon move. So what is this? This is 0 star. This is 1 star. This is 0 star. And what regular expression we have? 0 star 1 star. So we will combine them within series. What is 0 star? We have 0 star 1 star. So first we will write this. Q7 Q5 Q6 0 epsilon Q8 epsilon Q7 to Q8 epsilon. So this will be 0 star, and we will add the 0 star to 1 star. So what we have? Q3. So we will write here Q3, and we will add with epsilon move. This is 0 star, and this is we are adding 1 star, so we will add this with epsilon move. Now we will write 1 star Q1 Q2 1 initial to final epsilon move. This epsilon move. Q4 we have epsilon move. Q4 we have epsilon move. So this is our 0 star, and we add with this 1 star with epsilon move. So this will be our final state. Finally, because we get our NFA with epsilon moves from RE to NFA, so this is final 0 star 1 star. So this will be the final state. So this is the way by which we can convert any regular expression to NFA with epsilon moves.